Alright, so this video has been a long time coming. I had to get a couple different video sources, or just two really. So the one from the Mavic 2 zoom and then the one from my GoPro. So right here is actually the second video I shot. If you look at this right here, you can already kind of see the drone is kind of listing a little bit when it first starts off there. It's snowing. This is Oatlands, Virginia. It's beautiful. I'd been wanting to shoot this spot for a while, but it was freezing cold. You see how it's listing again to the right? I'll address that. I've been wanting to shoot this, and basically what happened is, again, if you've watched any of my videos, I have a habit of just wanting to kind of like hop in, hop out, and that really does speak to how good these Mavic drones are because they're very forgiving. Maybe not for me at this time, but they really do allow you to turn them on and go. So when I pulled off the road to shoot this, it initially came up and said, compass error, I needed to recalibrate the compass. I've heard people say you need to do that. You see how I keep getting high there? I had to duck below that tree. But I just didn't. I was like, I'm going to be in sight the whole time. It's not a big deal. It's going to fly fine. And so that's what I did. So I came down through here. As you can see, it's shooting beautifully. And there are a couple minor things here that I didn't do. So I should have recalibrated it. See, again, I'm high again, and I'm listing off to the side. It's not staying straight, and that's because I didn't calibrate. One of the reasons, I guess, is because I didn't calibrate that compass, which it'll still fly, but as you can see, it's flying a little wonky, and that's a big no-no. If it says to calibrate the compass, calibrate the compass. So I'm going to start talking kind of faster to really explain what goes on. So I'm going to turn to the right here, and then I turn it off and I start another video. Once the next video starts, that's just me turning around, and I start here. I got 2 phone calls that knocked it off. My SD card was full, which I didn't think about. And so what it tried to do is try to switch over to the internal video, and I didn't even get the crash. So luckily, when I hopped in my Yukon to come get it, I have my GoPro on. Here it is. It crashed. Thank God I crashed from 3 feet into a pile of snow. And so it didn't do anything except break a propeller, if you can even believe it. So take care of your compass. Make sure you have space on your SD card. And for God's sakes, just, what you didn't see was when I was flying back, and I know you don't see anything on the picture here, I just want to finish this up real quick. When I was flying back, I was going fast. I was probably doing maybe 20, 25, flying backwards, so the orientation was a little off. And, I'm still pretty much a beginner. So just take your time, take care of that compass, make sure you calibrate it. And lucky for me, it was up and flying the next day with just a new propeller. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. These videos, I'm really enjoying them. So please subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you think.